Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Super Big Brother, the Big Brave School Day. We'll be reading our story and using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out and we'll get started. Super Big Brother, the Big Brave School Day. Lulu the little is growing each day. In a flash, just like that, it's school time! Hooray! She shyly follows in Super Sam's steps, and with each little stride, the braver she gets. Her brother, her hero, takes hold of her hand. She's feeling so nervous, but he understands. Are we ready, Lulu? Let's go to school. She looks up to Sam. He really is cool. She bravely walks with her head held up high. Sam hands her to the teacher and hugs her goodbye. Their mommy's behind her, of course, just in case she needs extra kisses or a warming embrace. Her tummy is dancing from school's many things, like making new friends, circle time, and the swings. Sing out loud her A's, B's, and C's. The teacher makes learning so easy for me. Over and over, the teacher reminds this fun class of students with great little minds. Stop the loud noises. Use your quiet voice. But my quiet voice is not my first choice. While all is silent, Lulu's stomach growls. Oh no, I'm hungry, and she starts to scowl. There's giggling around as she tries not to cry. School's feeling hard, and she breathes out a sigh. Ring, ring goes the bell. It's our lunchtime, yay! So far it has been such a difficult day. At playtime she's safe, knowing Sam is around. She looks for his cape all across the playground. But a fall to the ground brings some tears to her eyes. She calls, "Where's Super Sam?" as she sits and cries. She knows he is somewhere, perhaps very near. I need your help, Sam. Why can't you hear? Help! Super Sam to the rescue. He's saving the day. She's no longer alone. All will be okay. He swoops in to help. Let's fix up your knee. As she watches and learns how a hero should be. He knows well what will place a sweet smile on her face. We run to the swings. Let's make it a race. So much fun, Super Sam. I love playtime together. His help and his care she'll remember forever. She tells Super Sam how her day has gone wrong. Lulu, Sam says, I know you you are strong. And to be a great student, you must remember listening and learning make a good class member. Super Sam's lessons suddenly take shape. Can now she be the hero and earn her own cape? The rest of the day was so much more fun. She called out her numbers and didn't forget one. Lulu makes friends and remembers their names, and tomorrow when back she will see them again. Her first day of school is finally complete, and Super Sam greets her with her favorite treat. Their mom picks them up and hears all of their news, and Lulu is happy to share all her views. With so much to show and so much to say at the end of a very exciting school day. Dinner, a bath, brush our teeth, race to bed. Super Sam's always so far ahead. He shows her little things that she needs to do, and she loves his kindness and his caring too. Super Sam tucks her in, wraps his cape around her, because she is the hero today, that's for sure. She is such a big girl now, school is the best, but the day was so long, and now she needs rest. But wait! Could I be a brave hero and lead Sam to school? I've done so well today, learning all of the rules. Sam, will you follow my steps? Can I lead the way? Up the school path tomorrow to another fun day. Okay. Things you may see at school. Ball, desk, books, pencil, backpack, slide, chalkboard, school building, friends, numbers, swing. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading Super Big Brother, The Big Brave School Day. I hope you enjoyed this story and using our Say and Play mini objects. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to get your own mini objects. There are several other story kits, as well as speech kits and alphabet kits that you can look at too. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.